How to fix Windows 11 Bluetooth not working. To fix the Bluetooth on Windows 11, first of all, make sure that you have turned off the airplane mode on your device. Tap on this Wi-Fi-like icon on the bottom right corner from your taskbar to open this panel and make sure that it is turned off, and also ensure that the Bluetooth is turned on. Now, all you have to do is go ahead and then open the settings application. Press Window and I together to open the settings. Head to the Bluetooth and devices option from the left-hand side menu and make sure that the device or the audio output or any device connected to the Bluetooth is paired together. If not so, tap on the connect button right below the product or the device name and it should be connected. Now once you go through all of these basic checks, all you have to do is restart the Bluetooth services. Press the Window button and R button together to open the Run menu. From here, all you have to do is type the services.msc. Now once you type this, go ahead and tap enter or press OK over here. And once the pop-up window opens up, all you have to do is now scroll down to find the Bluetooth support service. Once you find it, go ahead and then tap on it once and right-click it and select the properties option from here. Once this panel is opened, now all you have to do is change the startup type to automatic. You should be able to find it over here. It is set to manual. All you have to do is go ahead and set it to automatic. Once you do this, go ahead and then tap apply on the bottom right corner and then proceed to restart your PC. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.